Pani supyo.
Pani này đánh nhá.
Mình trên nằm còn mặt
Pani. Pani chắc. Pani Pani mà đấy.
Sa nương nhiều ho are mà ye na. Sa ne kong chen puno are mà ye na.
Teesta has many voices. There are many people dependent on River Teesta, and so there were different voices that was supposed to come representing Teesta. This just talks about like a detachment, like a folklore, and then there is just no, like nothing, no voice.
Uống rừng nhiều are y bố mẹ tụ nghe con trên bông đừng hạ play.
I actually had different aspects. Like I said, voices means different voices and different ways their relationship with the river is. I had put this folklore in the particular film also is because the folklore talks about the river and how it was formed and how it came together. And I think it's very important to kind of address that narrative, which is basically an oral tradition and which has never been actually, it has been written down now, but it was really passed on in the form of a song or a drama. So I think this is for documentation, that particular folklore was put. And second one is, as far as activism is concerned, I think this was a very interesting expression for the river, and which came across as saying like they don't want it because it was the Holy Land. So this particular aspect was also, I think, needed to be addressed in the documentary just to give that voice. And there are also narratives which talks about why it is required, why dams are required, why this development is required, because of different aspects of, state and central, relationship they have. So these are different aspects I had to put it. And yeah, folklore and activism was a kind of, if you really look at the film also, you will find the relationship. You'll find the relationship because there is a Lama, there is a monk who talks about in their holy scripts there are few lakes which is supposed to be safeguarded, and that's why he went forward with the anti-dam movement. So I found this as an interesting link as to how one gets into this whole idea of coming out of the house and saying this is what I don't want. I feel like the Teesta doesn't have any boundary, and it is overflow. It's like always flowing from one place to another. So since I have started telling stories to children about the river Teesta, I actually tell them like the river is not just here in the mountains. It goes back. It goes to Brahmaputra. It goes to Meghna, and then goes to Bay of Bengal. So Teesta is providing water to so many people downstream. So that is where I want to bring in, saying that the river is for everyone, and we all are dependent, and we need to do something. This was funded by NWO project. It's a Netherlands-based project which is working with environment, and in association with Sopecom, we'll find Pune-based water management NGO also, and yeah, so we had these different people coming together, and a lot of people who gave me the interview were the help also.
Ngu trời bên đi à để đà nhà mà ngu trời bên đi à để vô tô còn thà lô mà để nâng ta ngành bà ung rừng ngu à để vô tô lúc bên thức xe xa há ai mà ai gây ăn lá mè lồng rồng nâng chiều rừng nhu rừng nhị làng nâng rừng mà chụp nâng non mà Ungare nyuri ungare kuyum fada fatare lada sông làng lê son non ban nang ka lê son ban nang chu mẹ con xin bông nang cá plem bùa gầm yang ure nyuri nhare để chu sa gầm yang gầm sa gầm Kuyu achule kuyu yung are me no pa me yu rang dòng lum ca gầm ubi rum pa re rang yit de ung re are gầm.
I was really excited because I really wanted to understand what River Tista means to a visually challenged kid, and to understand their perception. So I was really looking forward to see them. I was already happy. They are visually challenged and they seek or they see River Tista as an inspiration for them. So there were these stories about them saying how River Tista is murky but does not fail to provide water to the dry plant. How is it like a desert like place is not as giving as River Tista. It is dying, but also is providing. And just like life has ups and downs, River Tista also has ups and downs. So they want to derive inspiration from them and be an ever flowing inspiration. दार्जिलिङबाट मैले तपाईँहरूको लागि मिठाई ल्याएको छुइनँ दार्जिलिङबाट मैले तपाईँहरूको